All right, hey, today, guys, we're going to learn about a plant. What makes a plant? Hey, plants are everywhere in our world. And we couldn't survive. Humans couldn't survive if it wasn't for the plants. Who knows in here what are some things that a plant has? What are some things that a plant has? Anto, what does a plant have? Can you look somewhere in our class and maybe tell us what does a plant have? What does it have? Do you know, Anto? What does a plant have? Look, do you know? What's it have?
Some flowers.
Flowers. Good. A plant has flowers. Good job. I'm writing it up here. What else does a plant have, Daniel? Daniel, what else does a plant have? What's it have? What are these called? Roots. Good job, Daniel. They have roots. They go down in the ground. Hey, Anto. Where do plants grow? Where do they grow? Huh? Trees are plants. Yes, trees are plants. Hey, Mateo. What do plants need to grow? What do they need? Hey, Mateo, what do plants need to grow? What do they need? What do we have to give them? Oh!
Seeds. Good job, Mateo.
Seeds. They come from seeds. What else do we need for plants? That was really good, Mateo. What else do we need? What comes out of what do we need to drink? What do we need to drink? What do we need? What is it? What is it, Daniel? What do we need to drink? Do plants need that to drink? Daniel? What do plants need? What do they need to drink? What do plants need? Oh, what else? Rocky, what do you think?
I think it's water.
Water! Plants need water! Water!
Water. Good job, Mateo.
Good job, Mateo. Hey, Anto, what else do plants need? It's that big, bright, sunny thing in the sky. What is that?
Open it.
What? Okay, but can you tell me what that thing in the sky is that gives the plant light and it needs to grow? What's that warm thing in the sky?
Sun.
Oh my
God,
goodness,
Mateo, you're on it. Hey,
Mateo.
Mateo, good job. Right on, son. There's one more thing that plants need. One more thing that plants need, guys. And you put it in. You could dig it with a shovel in a hole. What is that thing called that you have to put the plant in? Do you know what it's called? It's brown, and if you get it water on it, it gets muddy. What's that stuff called?
Mud.
Mud or dirt or soil. Say soil. Soil. Thank you, Danny. Soil. You gotta have soil for the plant. Excellent. Okay, guess what? These are all the things we know about plants. They're flowers, roots, trees, seeds, water, sun, soil. You good? Hey, yeah, we get to eat cookies too when we're done. We're gonna watch a video now, okay, and see what we can learn. Okay, we're gonna see what we can learn. Got it, guys? Who's ready? Okay, we're gonna watch a video, but before we do that, what do we want to learn about plants? What do you want to learn about plants? What do you want to know? Where do they grow? Do they grow all over the world? Do plants? Let's find out. Where do they grow? Where do they grow? Good, Anto. Yeah, what's some other things we want to know about plants? What do you want to know, Mateo? Say it.
Ice.
Oh, ice? Do they grow in ice? What environments they grow in? Do they grow in ice? Do they grow in rocks? Do plants do that? Let's find out. Let's see. Where do they grow? What environments? Good job, Mateo. What environment? What environment do they grow? These are question marks because we have questions. We got one more. What else? What else, Anto? What else do you want to know about plants? Hey, can plants be real small? Right? Can plants be small? Yes. Can plants be really big? What are those big plants called? You said it. You said it in the first thing. What are those plants called? Trees. Yes. Okay. What environment and how big do they get?
How
Big do
plants
they
grow for kids?
get? How big do they get? Okay. Okay, so now we got some questions about plants. Where do they grow? What environment do they grow in? And how big do they get? Do they get small? Are they small? Are they big? We're going to find out. We're going to watch a fun video. Anto said what? You're what? Excited. And we're going to watch that and learn right now.
Plants are everywhere. There are many different kinds of plants that grow all around the world, on every single continent. Today, we are going to talk about the things that plants need in order to grow. Are you the same height as you were when you were 1 year old?
No, you're
How
big.
about when you were 5? Every year, you probably grow a little taller and get a little bigger.
Yep.
Which is awesome, because that means you are growing. Whether it is human life, animal life, or plant life, all living things need certain things to survive, be healthy, and grow.
Yep.
So, what helps plants grow? Plants need 4 main things in order to grow. Just for fun, let's call them the core 4.
Okay, hey, this is important. So plants need 4 things in order to grow. And it's almost the same thing that we need as humans, as animals. Let's find out.
Core 4 are soil, sunlight, air, and water. Let's talk about each of these things individually and then see how they all work together to help plants thrive. First up is soil. Many of the nutrients plants need are found in soil. These nutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And what do these do? Well, nitrogen helps make a plant's leaves green.
Ooh, green.
Phosphorus helps create large flowers and a strong, healthy root system.
Ooh, wow.
And potassium helps a plant fight off diseases. All of these nutrients help keep the soil healthy and create the perfect place for a plant to grow. Soil also gives support to plants and prevents them from falling over. Next up is sunlight.
Sunlight.
The sun is a super important part of plant growth. Plants use the energy from the sun to make their own food. Here is an interesting fact. This food-making process is called photosynthesis. Say it again, just for fun. Photosynthesis. Even though sunlight is important, it has to be the right amount. Too much sun, and the plant may wither and die.
Ooh, wow.
Too little, and it may stop growing. Plants receive carbon dioxide, or CO2, from the air, which helps with photosynthesis. That means that the CO2 molecules in the air work with the sun to help plants make their own food, which in turn helps the plant to grow. Here is another interesting fact. During photosynthesis, plants release oxygen,
Hey,
or
did you know plants
O2,
give us air
into
to
the
breathe?
air. This
Not yet,
oxygen
almost.
is breathed in by animals, including humans like you. which is why plants are a vital part of keeping our planet healthy and alive. Last is our good old friend, water,
Water.
which is also necessary to keep plants alive and help them to grow. The plants alive and help them to grow. The water a plant receives helps bring the nutrients found in the soil to the plant through their roots, stems, and into their leaves. And like sunlight, help plants grow. Were you surprised that plants need some of the same things that you need? It is pretty cool to compare and contrast, right? Beyond the core four, there are two other things that help plants stay healthy and strong. The first is temperature.
Temperature.
Most plants grow well in warm daytime temperatures and cooler nighttime temperatures. If it is too hot, plants will dry up and die. If it is too cold, they will freeze. Second is space. Plants need enough room to grow in
There's
their
the
full
soil.
size. Without this room, plants will not be able to develop deep enough roots to allow them to grow the way they are meant to. And if they are overcrowded, they might suffer from disease or not receive enough air. We have learned a lot about plants today. Are you ready to review? Let's do
Hey,
it.
okay, now guys, we're going to talk about what did we learn from our video on the plants. What did we learn? Hey, what do plants need? They need what? The grow. Okay, plants need to grow. Plants need to grow. What do they need to grow? What things? They need what? What's the thing in the sky? What is the thing in the sky? No. What in the sky? What's up in the sky that's hot? Daniel, what's the hot thing in the sky? Sun. Right. What else do they need? What else do they need? Mateo, what else do they need? What do plants need? Water. Good. Right.
Good job.
Yes. Hey, what else do plants need? Soil. And one more important thing plants need: sun, water, soil, and what do we breathe? What do we breathe? We breathe what? Air. Oxygen. We're gonna
Good
say
job.
air. All right. Good job. Okay, now we are going to make our own plants, constructing it and labeling the parts with our students.
Top Tony, down.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good, Daniel, here's yours.
Okay, Tony, can you say roots?
Okay.
Roots. These are the roots. These go on the bottom. You're gonna put glue on it. Put glue. Good job, Tony.
Yeah, in a second.
Put it all over. All over. Like this. All
Remember, we need the roots,
over.
Kadisha.
Oh,
Yeah, so
Okay. And then
just give
place it
them
right
one
here.
piece at a time.
Place it right here. Good job, Tony. Press it down. Press it down. Can you put more glue on this one?
Good job,
Glue.
flip it over. Come on, and press down. Push down.
Good job, Mateo.
That's the flower. Not enough glue.
Uh-oh.
Okay, you
Where
try
did it go,
again.
Tony? Can take it. Press it right here. She
Yeah,
put
no,
glue
really good.
all over.
Good job, Mateo.
Good job. Okay, now we
Good
have the
job.
stem.
Come on.
The stem goes right
Come on.
here.
Like that,
We
like
need glue.
this.
Put
Slide
glue on
it.
the stem.
Okay. Now glue it right next to it, right here.
Good job. A little more.
Good job. Push. I think we might need a little bit more glue for this one, Tony.
Okay, now
We're gonna put a little bit more glue.
We gotta put our roots down coming from the stem.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good job. Okay, right here.
Good job. Okay, this is the roots. Roots go in.
You guys, you gotta glue. You gotta do the gluing, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not able to do that.
So let me see. Good job. Okay, Tony. This one right here.
Do one more root.
That looks good, Mateo.
Good job. Okay. Tony, now we gotta do the stem. Can you put the glue on the stem?
Where should we put this one?
Good job, Tony. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna put the stem over here. Put it right there. On top, right here. Right here. Press it down. Press. Good job, Tony. I think this might need a little bit more glue again. But I think, you know, it might be fine. Okay, good job. And then we need the flower.
Those are the leaves.
The flower. I mean,
I'm gonna put glue on this side. Right here.
Help them out.
good job. Let me help you really quickly, okay, Tony?
Good job.
Okay, all over.
Okay, now this one.
All over.
Good job, Mateo. Good job, Tim.
Now, Tony, right here. Where does the flower go? Right here, right? Right here. Good job. Right here. Other way.
You gotta be patient. Can I have that? Let go.
Good job, Tony. Good job. And then we have.
Let's see Mateo's. Hold it up, Mateo. Nice. Hold your flower up.
Can you put the
Good
leaves?
job, Mateo. Can you name the parts?
Mateo, look. Mateo, can you say flower? Flower.
Flower.
Say flower. Can you say leaves? Yeah.
Stem.
Stem. And roots. Roots.
Say roots to Mateo. Say roots.
Good job, Tony.
Roots.
Wow, Tony. Good
Good
job.
job.
Wow.
Can you say root? Stem?